Today I'm going to teach you exercise number 2.6 differentiation. Question number 1 part 4. Find f dash of x. F of x is equal to e of x divided by e minus x plus 1. Basically we want to find the derivative of f of x, and f of x is e of x divided by this. It means we want to find the derivative of two quotient variable. It means v derivative of u minus u derivative of v whole divided by v square. So this term we consider as u and this term we consider as v. So differentiating, here variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. D by dx f of x and d by dx e of x divided by e of minus x plus 1. Now here we apply quotient rule. And where does quotient rule said? According to quotient rule, this is u and this term we consider as v. So first of all, what we write? Derivative of the quotient v, to quotient variable v. V is e of minus x plus 1. Derivative of u is e of x minus u is e of x. Derivative of v is e of minus x plus 1 is equal to whole divided by v square. V is e of minus x plus 1 whole square. Now e of minus x plus 1 as it is. Derivative of e of x is always derivative of e of x is equal to e of x. So e of x minus e of x, derivative of e of x is e of x and e of minus x is e of minus x, and because derivative of e of x and e of minus x is e of minus x, and again we will take derivative of this minus x, and if we take the derivative of minus x is equal to derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and derivative of minus x with respect to x is minus 1. So what we write? Minus 1 plus derivative of 1 is constant, so derivative of constant is always 0. E of minus x plus 1 whole square. Now e of x is common. What is left? E of minus x plus 1 minus into minus plus e of x is common and e of minus x is left. So e of minus x plus 1 whole square. Now we will multiply e of x. Base is same, so powers will be added. Plus e of x into 1 e of x plus e of x, base is same, powers will be added, whole divided by e of minus x plus 1 whole square. Now e naught plus e of x plus e of naught, e of minus x plus 1 whole square. E naught is equal to 1. Anything whose power is 0 is equal to 1. So 1 plus e of x plus 1 whole divided by e of minus x plus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 2 plus e of x